Alright, welcome back to another video. And today, we're getting on tiermaker.com. And what we're going to do is we're going to rate all the levels. Wait, hold on, I'm just going to put them in order because I don't know why someone puts them out of order. But anyways, we're doing every level from like every game, from Sub-Zero, from Meltdown. Meltdown's super cool, just because of the 7 Cs. I like the 7 Cs. Good song, and F777 is one of the best techno songs. Has some of the best techno songs. But anyways, Stereo Madness. First level you do, not much decoration. Not much decoration, so the decoration would definitely go on the D. The gameplay is pretty fun. Gameplay's pretty fun, so I'm gonna put it at C. Back on track, D. I didn't have to think. The gameplay is horrible. Decoration's horrible. It's way easier than Stereo Madness. The coins, it's like that easy. Cause I can get the coins so many times and do it all in one attempt. That's how I got all coins in Celestia. Celestia changed to back on track while it was Demon, and then changed back to the normal level. But yeah, it was technically a free Demon. And I got it. Polargeist. I'm gonna give it a C. The gameplay's mid. Gameplay's mid. But decoration is not also good. The coins are like the best part. And the music. The music's kind of hype. I would listen to that music every day. But now I listen to like Sonic Blaster. Dry Out. Let's go with another D. Because it flips upside down. I mean, come on. You don't expect it. If you're playing Dry Out for the first time, you get to the upside down part, you're just like, what just happened? And at the last part of the upside down part in Dry Out, you have to time it perfectly. Perfectly. Base after base. Give it a B. It's a lot easier than the four levels we just talked about. A lot easier. That took me less attempts to be. It took me less attempts to beat base after base than Stereo Madness. After I got used to all the controls in the upside down, it took me like 90 attempts just to beat base after base. It took me a couple hundred attempts to beat Stereo Madness because I wanted to get the coins as well. But base after base, it all it took was after a few, it's like 80 attempts. I just did this one attempt that made me go to 90. And I got all the coins because I knew where they were. And I beat it and got all of them. So I didn't even need to go back. Can't let go. A big difficulty jump from base after base. It's a big difficulty jump because then you have to get used to all like the controls, and there's so in the third coin. Oh my god. Holy crap, dude. The third coin is hard. And Can't Let Go, you have to get used to. It took me way more attempts to beat Can't Let Go than Stereo Madness, Back on Track, and Polargeist combined. It took me like 400. Because Can't Let Go is a big difficulty jump. But I'm going to put it with B, with base after base. Jumper. Ooh, we're into the good stuff. Jumper. The coins are easy. I mean, they're not hard. But honestly, it took me a few attempts to get used to. I'm going to put it at a C. I mean, C. Time Machine. Yeah, this one took me a while to beat. I beat it in the car one day. I've got 1 out of the 3 coins. I almost got the 3rd coin. I mean, not the 3rd, the 2nd. The one where you had to straight fly through that. I got through it and I died at 91. Time Machine. It's not the best. I don't even like the music much except for the end. It's a F. Sorry, Time Machine. Out of the levels I just said, Time Machine goes in F. I don't believe it. I do. Wait a minute. I just noticed something on. What the Swipe down. Oh. There's no dash. It's alright. We'll make do. Cycles. A. Cycles gets so hyped at the first ballpark. It goes. It's so hype. And the ball game mode. It's one of my least favorite game modes, but it's fun. X Step. Pretty easy than the other Insanes. So I'm gonna put it at a solid D. It's not the best. Clutterfunk, put it at B. It's such a big difficulty jump from all those levels. Clutterfunk took me so long, only like 300 attempts to beat. It was just so hard, dude. But I beat it. It's done. I actually beat it before Geometrical Dominator. I kept getting 90% on Geometrical Dominator, but the hardest part is the memory. But yeah, Clutterfunk has cool decorations. I really like the gameplay. And the music, it just kind of gets weird. Wow. You know that part in the ball? If you've gotten there. Theory of Everything. Honestly, it's not bad. I really like it. Let's put it with Cycles. Electroman Adventures. Where do you think that would go? Oh yeah, if you guys disagree with me, you can tell me what your tier list would be. But use numbers. It's like Stereo Madness would be 1, Back on Track 2, Poltergeist 3, and so on and so forth. Electroman Adventures, it's so cool. It is going that A. Clubstep S. It's so fun. I mean, the coins, yes, they're difficult. The first one's pretty easy. But I'm trying to beat that. I've got like a 60%. I've got almost 60%. Well, I've gotten 60%. I left Geometry Dash, got back on. My progress was reset. It's fun nonetheless. And, the decoration is so cool. And I just like the music of Clubstep. It's just so cool. Electrodynamics, an A. The decoration's good. I played it in practice mode. I can't beat it. I'm at like 34%. A. Hexagon Force is going to go replace Electrodynamics, and Electrodynamics is going to go to B. But, and now we're on Blast Processing. This is the first, actually the second harder level. I beat it after Jumper. It wasn't that bad. During the memory part, like at the end where you had to guess the correct blocks, I got it first try. I did it, and I got the first coin. And then I came back on and got the other 3 here. Let me even prove it. I'll prove it by getting on Geometry Dash right now. Here we go. Oh, there it is. Boom. 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 Alright, now, time to get back. Fast processing, but it would go. Let's see. It's not that the best. It could be better. What did I just move? Viking Arena. Hold on. Maybe back there. And here we go. They have everything too. F. The music's just weird. I don't like the gameplay. I did not beat it yet. I beat it in practice mode. I think that's the hardest demon out of the demons RobTop has made. I think Theory of Everything 2 is way harder than Deadlocked and Club Step. That's just my opinion. Geometrical Dominator. Such a cool level. Such a goated level. S. Deadlocked is going to follow behind with an S. Just F777 is really good at making music. Music's really good. Finger Dash. The song's called Finger Bang. Remember that one Family Guy episode? Hey, you guys want to play Finger Bang? But Finger Dash has Spider. But third coin, extremely hard. Second coin, not that bad. Actually, the second coin is the easiest. The first coin you need to time it perfectly so you don't hit the wall by accident. But yeah, it's gonna go down to a D. Honestly, it's not the best. It could be better. Viking Arena. Oh, finally. No, not Viking Arena. It's 7 Seas. 7 Seas is S. The move triggers, all of it is just so cool. And when you get to that little drop part in the ship, it just gets so cool. And Viking Arena. F. Airborne Robots is going to fall behind. But now, Payload. It's a C. Beast Mode. Following. Machina is going to go a D. Years. Same there. Frontlines, I like. It's A. Space Pirates. B. Striker. I'm going to put at B. Embers. F. Round 1. No, not S. It's going to be a D. A D. And then we got Monster Dance Off by F77. It's going with A with Frontlines. Hold on, let's switch those. If you're wondering if I have beat Toxic Factory in Frontlines, yes. Oh, the challenge. I know exactly where this is going because I can see the challenge over there. The challenge is not fully decorated and the gameplay's okay. There's no coins. I wish there were coins, so then it'd be a mega challenge. Because I beat it in like one attempt as soon as I joined in. Oh my god. So that's why I'm making a buff version called the Buffinge. It's not fully verified yet. Restore my sanity by subscribing and liking, because that level feels like hell. Press start. Press start. Get out of my face. Press start. Me and my friend Cannon both agree that Sub-Zero is so underrated. It should be like more popular. It's really good. Press start, knock 'em. Press start and knock 'em are really good. Power trip is mid. So power trip was just immediately put at a C. But knock 'em, we're gonna put it at an S. All right. Now let me take a snapshot of this. Okay, there we go. And then what we're gonna do is take a screenshot. Here we go. Ah, yes. Has my face. Real quick, let's just move my face over here and just take another real quick screenshot. There we go. We got it. We got it. Alright, now let's move on to the next GD tier list. Alright, we back, and now we're doing some extreme demons. Alright, so we're going to start with 8-0. C. It's not the best. It could be better. This one, it's going to be a B. Blizzard Phantasm. A2 Marble. It's going to be B as well. Acropolis. It's going to be a nice A. I like it. A Chondrite. It's going to go D. It's not the best. Aku. A. See one that's after this next one. So, wait, hold on. Just wondering. Do they have Tidal Wave on here? Dude, that's a lot. Oh my god. See Silent Club. Is there Silent Club Step? Is there Tidal Wave? Alright, so you know what? Let's just randomly do this. Scroll up. This thing needs to stop scrolling down. Get out of my face. You know what? We're going to save this for another day, and we're going to do all of them. So for right now, we're not going to do that, because that's going to take like 40 minutes. So yeah, let's go to our next tier list while we wait. And it's called Secret Coins. Here we go. Oh, I need to get rid of the ad because I hate it. Alright, so now we got the tier list set up. So let's get started. First Stair Madness coin. I'm staring deep into your soul. It's so easy, almost auto. Here, let's just check out the ratings. So easy, almost auto. Easy. Should I change medium to normal? Hard. Harder. Insane. And after that, so let's just add another one. Add a row above. Demon. Make it black. There we go. Yeah, it's better. And now we're going to change this so easy almost auto thing to auto. And then number 2, you have to do some work, but it's easy. Number 3, it's going to be normal. For me, it would be pretty much an easy. It's not auto, because if it was auto, I would do the thing, and I would get the 3rd coin first try. It would be really easy. But for like players, for most players, when they're first starting Stair Madness trying to get that 3rd coin, they're gonna be like, "Oh my god, that's so hard." That's what she. But let's go back on track. First back on track coin. What do we think of that? Oh yeah, that is the back on track coin. So yeah, let's put it auto. So all you have to do is find the pad. And then you're done. I mean, easy as that. Pad number 2 will be put in easy. It's like so clear. You can see it. You can just fly in there. Oh, easy. And just fly down. Easy. Number 3, we're going to put it with also easy. Just have to... You didn't see that. Alright, we're back into it. So yeah, now we're on Polargeist first coin. Just going to put it at an easy. It's pretty easy. A 3. So this one, we're going to put it with easy as well. But the third one, it's going hard, because that one, you have to think. You have to really find it. And it's so hard to time it after. So, try out first coin. Put it at easy. This is number 7. Excuse me. Oh my god. Alright, so, we fixed some stuff. For number 2, it's pretty easy. For number 3, it's going to go normal, because you have to, that's pretty tight. You just have to get through there, but it's not so hard. So, it's going to go normal. 5, number 1. Base after base, number 1. Auto. Number 2, it's going to put at ease. Yeah, we're already extending the easy. 5, number 3, auto. You have to hold. In that ship section, you have to get past those spikes and then hold to get that coin. That's so easy. RobTop made base after base easier than Stair Madness, honestly. 6, aka Can't Let Go. First coin. You have to really remember where it goes, so I'm going to put it at normal. So the second coin, I'm going to put it at hard, because you have to really get through there. The third coin is going in harder, because it's so difficult. Oh, for a second I thought it connected to dry out number 3 coin. It didn't. It just looked so similar, because look, if I put that up there, it looks connected. You see what I mean? Six number 1, yeah, it's normal. 6 number 2 was hard, yes. This one, yeah, it was harder. So yeah, right, sorry. Oh, this one's gonna go a solid hard. And then we got the second coin. It's not that bad. Put it in normal. Third coin. Put in ease. It's pretty easy. First coin. It's not that bad. You just have to add an extra jump. So, put in easy. Second coin. When you see it, you think, oh my gosh, so demonic. No, it's not that hard. There's blocks there that just let you slide on it. You don't have to straight fly through it. You just have to get through the spikes in there and then just fall. And then you're done. Then you just go through and would you look at that? You already got the coin, so it's only a hard. People most noobs would say, "Oh my gosh, demon!" 8, number 3. It's really hard to find, honestly, so I'm gonna put it at normal. Actually, hard. Cycle's first coin. You have to really time it with the spikes, or else you hit the spike. If you time it too early, you hit the spike. If you time it too late, you'll hit the block and die. So it is reasonable to go with normal. Right. Second coin. Oh my gosh, this is an insane. Number 3. Freaking. Oh, yeah, that's pretty hard. So we're just gonna. Why are all the Cycles coins difficult? It's gonna go harder. Alright, I got the first X-Tap coin, which I got. It's easy. It looks so hard at first, but it's not actually hard. It's just not. It's just an extra thing you need to do. Number 2 one, it's actually harder. So yeah. The number 2 coin will go hard. The third, normal. That's fine where you need to go. This one's difficult. It's gonna go hard. How about that? Nope, harder. This one's pretty easy to see. So it's gonna go easy. The third one, I think let's go with number 2. The Cycle's number 2 coin. Alright. 12, number 1. AKA Theory of Everything. First coin. It's not bad, but it's hard. It's a hard. You can agree. Oh yeah. Second coin. Perfect to fit in Insane. Why does it always do that? There we go. Oh, now that I look at it, it has all the coins. Yeah, it has Sub-Zero. Oh my god. Here we go, back up. 12. Third. It's gonna this one is gonna go harder because it's not easy. I think we just lost all the auto coins. Oh, this one is easy. It's going with the easies. That one is so easy. Third one, it's gonna go normal. It's not hard. Now this last one, it's gonna go in the harder because it's pretty difficult. You know what? Nope, it's gonna go hard. We're demoting it. Oh my god, stop doing this stuff. Oh, clips that first coin. Normal. Bro, not the second coin. Second coin? It's gonna go hard. First coin is gonna go normal. That third coin, it's gonna go normal. Oh gosh, electrodynamics. Yay. Hard. Dude, stop doing this! Gonna move it back again. Alright. So this one's actually gonna go in insane. This one, I'm gonna put it at harder. This one is gonna go insane. Oh, Hexagon Force. This one's pretty easy. Alright. I'm surprised we haven't had any demon coins yet. But when we get to Theory of Everything too, then it might change. Alright, so Hexagon Force, first coin, we already rated it. Second coin, we're gonna give it a hard. And the final coin, we're gonna put it at a hard as well. 17, which is blast processing, it's gonna go. First coin, we're gonna put it at a harder. Second coin is gonna go at a hard. Third coin, it's gonna be a normal. Third coin's pretty easy. Theory of Everything 2, number 1. This is going with the blast processing, third coin. Number 2, it's gonna go in a harder. Third coin, it's gonna move into an insane. Dude, stop doing this! Right there. Alright, here you go. Oh, this one? It's an easy. This one is also an easy. Third one is also an easy. All the coins in Geometrical Dominator are easy. First coin, it's normal. You just have to get the key and boom. And you have to get there. So honestly, it should go higher. Should go with this hard buddies. 20th, gonna go with also its hard buddies. And third coin, it's also going with its hard buddies. First coin and finger dash. Boom. Normal. This one is going easy. This one, it's going up. It's going. Come back here. Stop doing this. Put it back. Alright. First coin in Sub-Zero is in Meltdown, aka 7 Seas is easy. This one, easy. This one, normal. Viking Arena, put it there. Put it there as well. And normal, they're all normal. Now this one is going to go in insane because you have to grab the key. But you don't know when the key part comes until you realize. This bad boy's going in insane. But this boy is going to go a normal. This, why is it starting to type? This coin, not normal, it's going to go hard. Sub-Zero, first coin, easy. What the? Get back on it, and here we go. There we go, much better. Get out of here, guys. Alright, and boom, second coin. It's gonna go hard. Third coin. Oh, that one's pretty hard. So actually, this one's gonna be demoted. Alright, we're almost done with all the coins, so alright, this one, it's pretty easy. You just have to jump at the start. This one, just grab the key. This one, just walk in the wall. Look at how many easies there are compared to the others. The easy mode is expanded. This one is also going easy. This one is gonna go hard. Making sure Sub-Zero clean. Hang on. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Alright, and the final one. Honestly, I think this should be harder. Now let's figure out and change something up and take something away from its spot and make it the demon coin. Because we can only have one, and the demon has to be filled. It has to have something. Who's going to take its position? Comment down below what you think should be taken. What you think should take the demon spot and top it all off. You might disagree with me. I don't care. Comment what you're going to do for the coins. Like, where would you put the coins? Or maybe even make a video or take a screenshot and just do this. I'm gonna see if you agree. But I'm gonna say thing that takes the hot spot. Thing that takes it away. Thing that blows everything out of its socks. Is going to be, oh gosh, so you don't have to agree. But, sorry, this is hard. Okay, I'm just looking at some stuff. Okay, I've made my official decision. The thing that's taken this top number 1 demon is third coin. Just kidding. It's actually gonna be, in my opinion, the first coin in Electrodynamics. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. This video is 40 minutes long. I'm gonna make another video later about me eating mustard sardines. So yeah, it's not gonna be Jump Street. Alright, bye. Subscribe. Oh, my ears were hot. No, okay. Subscribe and do some of these. And comment down below if you agree with me. You don't have to, I don't care. But tell me what you would put at the demon top spot in the comments. Tell me. Alright. Like, subscribe, comment, do all of it. Hit the notification bell to never miss another video I do. So if I make another video, you can just boop, yick. Alright, bye.